So, once we made it to Durango, we just ran a couple errands before we decided to head up to the camp spot. And we got just baby wipes because we need a shower. Purple shampoo because we don't like green hair. And then just a few things for a project Ty is doing. And then we drove 25 minutes.
Well, it was like 40 minutes just about with how slow we had to take it.
Yeah.
We drove like 7 miles up a dirt road that was super washboardy. We'll throw a clip in of how shaky that shit was. Oh my god.
Our tortillas! Oh shit, our back speaker's out. Hello.
We're in a beautiful spot. It's definitely
Worth it for sure.
A nice area, but it wore on me. I'm a little bit stressed out.
Yeah, in the van too.
In the van.
She's tired.
She's tired. Penelope definitely got a good workout.
Yeah. But
look at this, look at this spot.
I probably shouldn't go out since I just washed my feet, but it's gorgeous.
We're almost 10,000 feet up.
Yeah, that's why it was so rough.
Quite a bit of elevation.
Climbed a couple thousand feet.
Yeah.
But
that is...
Now we're here, now we're gonna chill.
Yeah, kick back.
Drink some wine.
Drink some beer. And probably make some dinner. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, friends. Last night was a bit rough for sleep. We had some sort of animal, I think it was a raccoon or a squirrel, that was like climbing all over our car, or the van, and it was making hella noise. So me and Cam were awake quite a bit of the night, but still feeling good, still ready to greet the day. Here we are. Cam's still up in bed, about to get out. We're gonna show you guys how we put our bed away, kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. So usually, once I get out of bed, Cam will grab everything and just shove it towards the end. Grab the pillows, just set them down on the couch. And then I come in, we trade off right here. Just grab all this stuff. Paddleboard. This has all of our stuff for our K-pop shop. Camera bag. Beautiful curtains that came made. Here's some proof. Those are little feet marks. Whatever was trying to get into our shit. Let's go check the hood. We heard him up there too. Still don't really get how he got up to the top. I don't see any marks up here.
For brekkie, we got the best pancakes ever. Some
Threw a little bit of cinnamon in there, nutmeg, pumpkin spice, and a little bit of vanilla. In the pre-made batter, of course.
I got bean grind duty.
Oh. Here's the French press. What are we out doing, Cam?
Foraging.
We're out here in nature, trying to find some cute little things to use for our project that we're doing. This side's a little drier for sure. We're hoping that when we go up a little further, there'll be some different options. What are you hoping to find, Cam?
Some mushrooms.
Yeah. Some little baby mushrooms would be real cool.
Which I doubt we will.
You never know. We need to like look under logs and stuff.
Yeah, like moist places.
Yeah. That's where that fungi likes to be, huh?
Oh, yeah.
He'd be under some cow turds. Let us know in the comments where you find mushrooms.
Do you like this video? If you like mushrooms.
Of any sorts.
Of any kind.
Psychoactive or not.
Eating for enjoyment.
Yeah.
Or
On a pizza.
on a pizza.
In a pasta. Whatever.
Personally,
Sometimes I'll put them in some Oreos. For a nice crisp snack. Today has been a productive yet chill day. We got some stuff done, did a few projects. It's gonna be it for today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. We woke up a bit late today. So we're just chilling, making breakfast. And then I think we're just gonna have kind of a more relaxed day. We're gonna do a few art projects, get a few things done. And yeah, we might head back into Durango a little bit later today down that fucking sketchy ass road.
Ugh.
We made it off the mountain. Wasn't as bad going down for sure. We just messaged our friends, spoke to them a little bit, and it looks like they're not going to be able to make it out to Colorado like we had planned. So we're going to head down into New Mexico, get to a little bit warmer weather, go do some laundry, get a few chores done.
Take a shower.
They have Planet Fitnesses out there, so we can actually shower for free. Shout out Planet Fitness. Yeah, so I mean, we'll catch you up when we get to Farmington is where we're headed. Land of Enchantment.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
Nice. Little update. We drive an hour and a half to a whole other state to shower. And they're closed.
And yeah, all of the fucking showers at the Planet Fitnesses in New Mexico are closed.
So we have no point in being here.
Not really. I mean,
You just,
we'll just bail on White Sands. We'll go there a different time.
yeah.
And we'll start, I think we're going to start heading west through Arizona and then over into Southern California.
But we'll see.
Yeah.
Because things change.
Yeah, things have changed. We don't make super solid plans, you know, we're just kind of going with the flow.
Because nothing ever goes as planned.
Yeah. Even when we make a plan, it doesn't work out, so.
So, we're gonna treat ourselves with some Subway because
We deserve it.
we deserve it. We need to be put in a better mood.
Yeah.
So. Woo! 3 states in 1 day, baby!
Woo! New record!
New record! Oh, with the sunset.
Good morning. We stayed at a Maverick gas station last night. It was not too bad of a night's sleep for how busy the gas station is. We only heard a few noises, a couple honks and stuff. We are now making some coffee. And I think we're just gonna get on the road and head towards Flagstaff. We need to stop and grab some water. And then once we get into Flagstaff, we're gonna hopefully try to get some stuff done. So we stayed at this Maverick so that we could use the dump and drain our black water. And we pull up, and that's what it looks like. Fucking nasty. There's literally a piece of shit over there. I've never seen one this bad. I don't even want to get out, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Here we go. We made it to a dump. Able to get rid of all that black water. And we are outside of Planet Fitness. You can't really see, but it's Planet Fitness and we called ahead. The showers are open. Time for us to get a shower in. We'll catch you later.
We love a tiny home.
What happened?
My amazing boyfriend just accidentally spilled all the laundry detergent.
That big ass fucking box.
Just kidding, not all of
over
it.
the ground, but she's a good cleaner.
We don't want to hangry tie, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it for her.
She saved me from the frustration. What an angel. Some of the things that happen, nothing ever really goes smooth, and you just gotta accept that.
You just can't be mad for too long. There's
Yeah,
just
you can get
no
frustrated
point.
for a second, but don't hold it. Thanks, Cam.
Okay, now turn to the side. So, after laundry, we ran a few more errands, but now we've made it to a campsite, still in Arizona. I was cooking us some yum dinner. What are we having tonight?
We're gonna have Buddha bowls. I'm just cooking up some brown rice with squash and zucchini. And then we're gonna cook up some chickpeas too. And throw some teriyaki sauce on it. Will be pretty bomb.
Yummy.
Yeah, this is the finished product. Some nice fried up chickpeas, well seasoned, brown rice, veggies, and smothered in sauce.
Thanks, bud.
We're just gonna kick back, eat this, and watch some YouTube.
Or what? With flame.
We're all out of coffee, so we're having tea today. What else are we gonna be doing today?
Work.
Yeah, we're gonna get some work done, edit some videos. And I'm gonna do a little bit of my project I'm working on. It's gonna be a good day. We have spent the morning finishing up editing our first vlog. Now we just finished our tea. We're gonna make some breakfast and then clean up and head into Wi-Fi so we can get this video posted.
Yay.
Yay! We left the library. Got our first vlog posted. It took a little bit longer than we were thinking, but we were able to do it. Now we're headed to Sedona, one of our favorite places in Arizona. It's beautiful. It's gonna be nice and warm, and we get to go through Cochiquino National Forest. Sure, I'm not saying that right.
Coconino.
Not sure how it's meant to be.
If you know,
Yeah,
let us know.
Yeah.
Because it's a big debate.
Well, that's where we're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and please check out our Instagram so you guys can see some of the cool art that me and Cam have been making recently. Oh, fucker.
Now, make me noodles.
He's gonna block us.
No! How did I start it off?
So guys,
Wait, what were you saying?
we left.
My legs jiggle.
I don't know. We'll probably. Look at all them trees.